We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change and reset your drum on a Brother MFC7840w. So first thing first, go ahead and pull your little front cover down. Grab your handle on your toner drum unit and try to pull out as gently as you can. First, what you need to do is press this green tab to separate your toner from your drum. Then you would take your new drum, stick your toner in there. Once it clicks, you know it's in there. And then what you'll need to do is you will need to take this little green thing and move it across a few times. This will help clean the drum. Make sure you put it back in the same position that it was. Then you stick your drum back in. Once it clicks, you know it's in there. Leave your hatch open, and then what you want to do is hit the clear back button. And then it says replace drum, 1 for yes, 2 for no. So we're going to hit 1. And it says accepted, and then now it's resetting the drum, and it tells me the cover is open. Please close front cover. So there we go. And then it says please wait. So your printer is initializing, resetting the drum now. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.